Bitcoin cash value equivalent to $479.46 a coin. The present exchange cost range, $476.12 to $487.63. The earlier day close, $477.38. The change was plus 2.8, plus 44%. Converse rate, US to BCH. Bitcoin cash gauge for July 2024. Initially cost at $551. Excessive cost $684, while low cost $551. The normal for the month $606. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $639. Change for July 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for August 2024. At the outset cost at $639. Excessive cost $639, while low cost $536. The normal for the month $598. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $576. Change for August 9%. Bitcoin cash gauge for September 2024. In the first place cost at $576. Exorbitant cost $715, while low cost $576. The normal for the month $634. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $668. Change for September 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for October 2024. To start with cost at $668. Exorbitant cost $732, while low cost $636. The normal for the month $680. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end $684. Change for October 24%. Bitcoin cash figure for November 2024. Initially cost at $684. Excessive cost $766, while low cost $666. The normal for the month $708. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $716. Change for November 7%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for December 2024. First and foremost cost at $716. Exorbitant cost $863, while low cost $716. The normal for the month $776. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $807. Change for December 7%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for January 2025. At the outset cost at $807. Exorbitant cost $898, while low cost $780. The normal for the month $831. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $839. Change for January 40%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for February 2025. Before all else cost at $839. Excessive cost $934, while low cost $812. The normal for the month $865. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $873. Change for February 1%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for Walk 2025. At the outset cost at $873. Excessive cost $1,384, while low cost $873. The normal for the month $961. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end $1,13. Change for spring 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for April 2025. To start with cost at $1,13. Exorbitant cost $1,94, while low cost $950. The normal for the month $1,020. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $2022. Change for April's 9%. Bitcoin cash estimate for May 2025. Initially cost at $22. Excessive cost $1,107, while low cost $963. The normal for the month $1,032. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $1,035. Change for May 3%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for June 2025. Before all else cost at $1,035. Excessive cost $1,126, while low cost $978. The normal for the month $1,048. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $1,052. Change for June 6%. Bitcoin cash estimate for July 2025. To start with cost at $1,052. Exorbitant cost $1,129, while low cost $981. The normal for the month $1,054. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $1,055. Change for July's on 3%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for August 2025. First and foremost, cost at $1,055. Exorbitant cost $1,310, while low cost $1,055. The normal for the month $1 on 161. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $102.24. Change for August 16%. Bitcoin cash gauge for September 2025. In the first place, cost at $1,224. Exorbitant cost $1,224, while low cost $969. The normal for the month $1D115. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,042. Change for September 14.9%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for October 2025. First and foremost, cost at $1,042. Exorbitant cost $1,096, while low cost $952. The normal for the month $1,029. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,024. Change for October 17%. Bitcoin cash estimate for November 2025. At the outset, cost at $1,024. Excessive cost $1,051, while low cost $913. The normal for the month $993. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end $982. Change for November 1%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for December 2025. To start with, cost at $982. Exorbitant cost $1,096, while low cost $952. The normal for the month $1,014. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $1,024. Change for December 3%. Bitcoin cash estimate for January 2026. First and foremost, cost at $1,024. Exorbitant cost $1,024, while low cost $800. The normal for the month $27. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end $860. Change for January 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for February 2026. Initially cost at $860. Excessive cost $1,068, while low cost $860. The normal for the month $947. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $98. Change for February 16%. Bitcoin cash gauge for Walk 2026. In the first place, cost at $998. Excessive cost $998, while low cost $779. The normal for the month $903. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $838. Change for spring 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for April 2026. In the first place, cost at $838. Exorbitant cost $838, while low cost $655. The normal for the month $759. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $704. Change for April 16%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for May 2026.